Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to install under cabinet lighting? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you today. Today, we're walking through a quick and easy project to install some wireless battery operated LED lighting underneath the kitchen cabinets here. Our friends over at LAJOSO sent us this package of 4 lights, and it comes with instructions and a nice remote control, 4 power chargers, and then also these lights. Now these, I haven't used them yet, but they're pretty heavy. It feels well constructed. It's got some metal and some plastic. And basically they have a foam tape on the back, and then they have a magnet that holds it on as well. So you rip off the tape, you put it up underneath the cabinet, and then you should be able to use a remote control. Now there's a couple different settings on this light that we're going to walk you through real quick before we set them up. So we currently have some older fluorescent lighting underneath these cabinets. Although the ballasts are going and other things, this is probably a good time to upgrade. Now with these lights, it comes with 4 USB chargers, which you can plug it in and charge it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these on and leave them on and see how many hours or days they'll go before they completely die. And then I'll put that in the description so you can go ahead and check in the description and see how long the one charge lasted. So that may take a couple days to get in there, but I'll go ahead and link these also in the description in case you want to check them out. So on the side, you have your charger, and on this side, you have an on, off, or auto. On turns them on, which you're probably not going to use, but then you have auto. When you turn on auto, it's going to cycle through a couple of the colors, and then it's going to go ahead and stop. Now you take your remote control here, and on this controller, there's a lot of different functions. You can go ahead and turn them on. You can change the color temperature. Well, that's the brightness, the brightness. You can change the temperature there to warm white, a mixture, or cool white. And then obviously there's red, green, blue, and all these colors in between, as well as some cool strobes. So a lot of different functions. There's timers, all sorts of stuff. We're going to set these up underneath the cabinets. And then once we're going to do that, let me turn this off. Pretty cool. We'll set them up. We'll test them out. And this would be neat, maybe under a bookshelf or some other place around the house, but we'll see how they do here. So stay tuned, show you how they install, and then test them out. So we got 3 of them installed already, and this is not a 5-minute install. This is like a 90-second install. You just rip off this tape here. You can turn it on now, or you can wait. Figure out where you want to place it, and then you're going to stick it up underneath the cabinet. Hold it for just a second. And bingo, that's it. Now the neat thing about this is all you gotta do is grab it, and when you pull it, it comes off, and there's a magnet there that stays attached. So you put it back, it's back. You wanna take out the charge, you got it there. So hopefully they stay for a long time. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and kill the lights, and then we will see how the remote works. Stay tuned. Well, it's middle of the day, so we dim the lights. Now turn it on, and all 4 of them are on. We can go through the different color settings of the light, to the warm white, to the cool. There's also all the different colors where you can go with a holiday theme or a party, or really what's cool is going to be maybe the strobing effect. We're ready to party. All right. So normally, I don't know if you have this going on in your kitchen, but if you have this out on an outside patio or bar or something like that, might be kind of a cool look. Here, we'll probably go a little more muted. Thanks for tuning in, Mr. Greg's How To. Really cool project. I'll leave in the description. If you like this, be sure to like. Also, any questions or comments, put them in the comment box. And most importantly, really appreciate all the subscribers. So again, appreciate you tuning in. And remember, with all these projects, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.